First of all, nice welcome from my side here at the ICT Lab, and I'm going to presenting you right now the ICT Hybrid Kit, as Eric said already. I'm standing here in front of the Hybrid Kit as a build-up that we made here in our lab, and I'd like to give you first of all some technical information, but what is the Hybrid Kit really? The Hybrid Kit is the solution for any kind of exhibition or event like a product launch or general meetings you can use. It's very easy to install, but I'm going to tell you a little bit about that later. So first of all, the whole system is a combination of OCTANORM aluminum pod and ICT LED wall. We have a LED wall with 2.6 millimeter pixel pitch. It's in this number here. We have 7 modules wide and 4 modules high in dimensions. We have 3.5 meters in wide and 2 meters high. It's covered here in a fabric covering, which can be, of course, printed in any CI which the customer requires. I'm here standing in front of the LED wall, and that you just get a little information about the space that you need. I have here a depth about 5 to 6 meters to my camera partner, which is here today, Robert. Normally this setup can be built up and used by one person. But today I have a cameraman here with me, a colleague, because he's gonna help me a little bit to introduce you to now the system. He's gonna follow me right now backstage behind the wall. So please come with me. I like to talk to you now and give you some things how they look behind and what's there. Behind the Hybrid Kit, we have the technical equipment, like we have the amplifying system, we have the video processing unit for the LED wall, we have 2 speakers in the back, and the OCTANORM aluminum profile here. What is very important is that this is a freestanding solution. The Hybrid Kit needs no additional attachment in the ground or anything else. It can be stand alone anywhere. So the modules are here if you want to look on the back side also. The combination by 7x4 modules, the cabling, and we have in depth is near 1 meter, so we don't need very much space for the kit. So if we're going back to the front, I like to give you also a short view for the presentator, how it looks like. Here we have my preview panel. On my preview panel, I can see all the inputs, and also can use switch the input signals with my pedal, which is here in front of me. So, and the red framed area is the signal which is going out and which is you are going to see live right now. We have here 2 LED floods which are on stands installed, and here we have some of the production place where all the technical magic comes together. I'll just give you a short view over there, where we have the switchers, where we have the audio input boards, and the PC and everything that makes the magic happen. But what is also important is that also a camera and microphones are included in the setup. So it's a complete all-in-one solution that we can offer.